Hello friends, welcome. So, it is 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We come online to explain to you about our plans. So, what you are uploaded or going to upload in next 1 or 2 days. That is what we explain to you. And also, uh, what is our future plan for 1 to 2 days, or what you have added to our blogs or the tutorial that we give you update. We focus mostly on the Python area and AI tools, integrating database, Tkinter, the GUI applications, the Python libraries, and also the web development in PHP, MySQL database integration, all those SQLite database, jQuery also. In web dev programming areas also we focus. Friends, recently we have done some work on the AI tools. Now we are working or going to work for next 1 or 2 weeks on the Tkinter applications. We have a lot of tutorials we have uploaded, huge many blog posts are there. Now we'll see in this week how we will customize our look and feel of the windows or Tkinter windows what we develop. Now in this window, one issue comes is, say you have given some settings. You must be knowing in the that there are some dark mode or the light mode or bright background and all. Some settings are there. It's a user preference. So user decided to have some settings. Now how we will preserve that setting, that we will see. Now same time we will also see how the scroll bars, say in a window you have a scroll bar at the right side or the left side, whatever size you want. Now dynamically records keeps on coming. So say by default in the window we have placed 10 records. Subsequently 11, 12 record, 13, 14, like that, once the record increases we need a scrolling arrangement at the right side. So at the bar we should able to scroll it up and down, so we can see the records below the 10 number or above the 10 number. In addition to that also, say the scroll bar, it is not that it should increase, it also should decrease. Once suppose I am removing some records, it should dynamically it should update itself, the length should increase, so matching to the number of records and all. How that we will achieve? So these are certain things we will be studying this week, and we will be examining, and some tutorials on all these will also come. Right now it is we are preparing or working on it. Another thing, so let me, okay, before we go further, let us just discuss little bit on the where it is, how this blog post, where you will get the source code and all that I will let you know. So let me just come here. Yeah, see this URLs are there in the description below. User setting in Bootstrap. So what happens when you are giving a window, the user, what user has style has preferred, that you will be storing it in a JSON file. Or another option is store it in a database. It can be a SQLite, or it can be MySQL database, or even some you can also push it to a Google Drive and all, wherever you want. In which case you will prefer a local file, or where you will prefer a database, that also you can understand here. All the content it is available here, source codes are there, you can just copy it, sample JSON file, it stores the theme, version, last updated, everything. Then you can also, not only that the theme you store, you can store the dimension also. We'll see that in our video tutorial. I will explain to you how these dimensions you can control it also, and that will automatically, once you close the window, it will automatically stored. Now here is the database part, where suppose instead of storing it in a JSON file, you can keep it in a database. What is the use of database here? Database advantage is you can keep the user specific details in a row wise. So what happens if the same application is used by another user, he will have some settings. Next user, based on the user one column, you can, the theme data can be picked up and can be used based on the user preference. That is why we go for the database. This is one concept. Now let's come back to our scroll bar. So what happened when you add some records to this, automatically scroll bar should expand. Once you remove that also, then also the scroll bar should shrink or reduce its size based on the number of records what you are storing it. Now sometime your scroll bar will not automatically update, that also we have discussed it here, kept it. All these videos will be there, you will have the pictures also in that one. Okay, these two. Then one more area is the threading. Say we have earlier discussed about the progress bar. So here it is the progress bar or thing, but in the progress bar instead of directly viewing, you can just create a threading, means a parallel processing. It's a threading. Python allows the threading, so that also can be used that way. So that way we can prevent. Okay, here it is. So real time progress update with threading, that also is another video tutorial which you will be adding it. Here is the link. All these links are there in the description below. Now once we are progress bar, we are showing about the threading. Same time we can also show a float gauge. What is a float gauge, how you will use it, all these are available here. You can just watch this blog post or read this blog post, the entire content it is here. You can watch this and add threading to this. Towards the end we have the threading also, real time modern threading with float gauge. So this concept is explained here. The source code is there, you can just copy it and use it. So that's the idea, friends. So I just given you a brief update of the what we are planning this week, and you will be getting all these updates over a time of 1 or 2 weeks. More video tutorials you will be getting it, so you can understand it easily. Let me just take you to here. Yeah. So if there are no more questions and all, you will close today. I just come for 5 to 10 minutes to give you all these updates. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you'll always get the notifications. And you can ask me questions here, or you can ask me the questions below our tutorials, whatever we upload it. So if you don't have any questions or anything, we can close the session for today. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and tomorrow also join me at the same time. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.